To turn off Mercedes-Benz exterior lights, use the stalk on the left side of the steering column. The stalk has positions: off for all lights deactivated, auto for sensor-activated lights, parking for side markers and taillights, and low or high beam for manual activation. To disable daytime running lights, press the button on the left stalk to access the instrument cluster settings. Navigate to lighting or vehicle menus to toggle DRLs off, available on models like GLC and S-Class. Some models may require a dealer visit or diagnostic tool. Always consider local laws and visibility when disabling lights. For interior lights in newer Mercedes models like the 2023 A-Class, use the EMBA-X system. Select Lighting from the menu. Adjust dimming or turn off entirely. Manual switches on door panels or overhead consoles provide direct control. In electric models like the EQE SUV, disable non-essential interior lights via the app to extend battery range. For older models before 2010, rely solely on physical switches. Some owners use OB2 scanners for older models like the 2018 C-Class to disable auto lights, but this may affect warranties.